party for the Las Vegas Grand Prix. As you can see, things are getting exciting.
Give it up for Formula One tonight in Vegas!
All right, so it's early morning. We're here in Las Vegas. I'm Rebecca from Drone Stories. We're gonna get the drones ready for a spectacular show this weekend. We're gonna get all the drones up on the roof and start prepping.
We're gonna launch 400 drones from the front of the property and another 400 from the back side of the property. The artistry and the technology is all coming together, and we're gonna create a great story in the sky for the F1 kickoff party.
We live a lot on the front side. There's the Fan Fest, where we also have a drone show, big one with 12, the entrance of the Caesars. And then we have here the VVIP party, or actually VIP party.
Normally this is the Garden of the Gods, and it's a pool area. For the kickoff event we transformed this whole area into the Garden of the Gladiators. So we're having like an ode to all the F1 drivers, all the champions.
Everybody's looking to Vegas, you know, that's a new one on the calendar, so that's cool.
Both shows are really Formula One inspired, of course.
This show on the front will also be visible from the boulevard, which is nice for people in Vegas. And the one on the back is more for the private event, but it will also be visible because it's high up, so you will see it from the highways and everywhere.
Kind of tension countdown starts to build towards the drone show. Some music, some visual transitions. In the last few seconds, they will do a countdown towards a red button press. That's the official start of the ticket sale and the start of the drone show. The drone show is combined with mapping on the building.
We're working on the projection mapping. We use 20 projectors to map the whole building. The video content is interacting with the drones. So when lights and video go up, the drones light up, and then it comes down again and forms the Formula One car of Las Vegas GP, and then it drives off.
It is a project where all the disciplines come together at this one event, and that's what this makes it challenging and fun to work at.
I mean, doing shows in this kind of place is unique, which is really fun because we're trying to push the limits on how we can do drone shows in the future. And places like this really pushes the limit from the drones, also from the tech, also from us doing producing. It's a big hustle, but look at the place we're standing. I mean, we're standing on top of Caesar's Palace.
Beautiful people of Vegas, here we go then.